So the project we worked on was a restoration project with the Huntington County Conservation District and the NRCS. And the goal of the project was to repair a riparian buffer.
So there are a few key reasons why riparian buffers are really important for the environment. They hold together the topsoil. They also collect nutrients like phosphates and nitrates, and they provide shade for the stream, which helps regulate the temperature.
For our restoration project, we analyzed 52 trees to see the health of the riparian zones. To do this, we walked up and down 2 rows of trees that were growing inside of PVC pipe tubes to check the following. We checked to see if the trees were dead or alive, to see the overall health of the trees, and to note the height of the trees. 28% of our trees were dead, while 72% of our trees were alive. When the trees were dead, we marked them with orange spray paint. Also, another thing to mention is that some of the PVC pipes were actually falling to the ground, so in order to fix them so they could plant new trees for the ones that were dead, we straightened them up, we mounted the stakes back into the ground, and then wrapped the PVC pipe around the stakes that were not usable anymore, so they could be repurposed.
Success of this project can't be known yet, but given the death rate, it looks like the riparian zone will develop pretty well. Another thing to keep note is like how they did it. There's some things they could do to improve. They removed invasives before replanting, whereas if they had kept them in place, it might have prevented a lot of sediment and toxins from the soil getting into the stream, because the stream health has plummeted since the project has started. So that's something to keep in mind. And also the distance from the actual creek bed for the riparian zone, they could have shortened that up to make sure the soil is more compact near the actual creek bed instead of like partially in the field.